Big brave daddy turned to leave. Ladder went the ladder where his feet should be. Out came a yikes. Can you guess what happened next? Oh, aha. The big brave daddy was safe at home again. Itsy Birdie looked up at the tree. Up went Daddy, brave as can be. Out came Mama Bird to see her baby's friend. Oh, Itsy Bitsy Birdie's nearly home again. The Itsy Bitsy Birdie was safe and tucked away. Hooray! Cried the family and helped her on her way. Out came the row to help the birdie friend. The Itsy Bitsy Birdie was safe at home again. The Itsy Bitsy Birdie was looking at the ground. Whoosh went the wind and the tiny bird fell down. Out came the family to help their birdie friend. Now the Itsy Bitsy Birdie get back home again. The Itsy Bitsy Birdie was scared as could be. Cheep, cheep, she called out for her family. Out came the kids to help their birdie friend. How will Itsy Bitsy Birdie get back home again? The Itsy Bitsy Birdie was wrapped up safe and sound. Cheep called her mama, seeing she'd been found. Out came the